welcome to our writing exercise. Today, instead of you coming out to one of the yards and writing with a repair technician, we're coming to you. We have 4 different scenarios about the activities that take place in the field. Our main purpose of this video is to help you prepare the customer for our visit. You might be a dispatcher, a service representative, a repair attendant, or anyone else who has contact with our customers. We think that if you get a good idea about what we do, you can better help our customers understand that there's more than just flipping a switch to begin service. Although today's presentations are all repair visits, they're very similar to the installation orders we complete each day. We hope that this video answers some of your questions and gives you an idea about our job. Sometimes we have questions of our own, and most of our customers are not home during the day. So remember, when talking to the customer, get a good can-be-reached number or any other information that might help us help our customer. So buckle up and enjoy the ride.
Okay, we'll get somebody out there between now and no later than 5 p.m. today for you. Hey, isn't your husband a foreman in the outside field?
Yes, he has an installation crew. From time to time, he tells me what goes on outside. But personally, I have not seen what goes on out in the field.
No dial tone, tip open 90%. Sounds like a broken wire. Due by noon. Looks like fiber optic is doing some more splicing. I don't think anyone's home. I'll just get in the backyard and start checking the phone line at the protector. I need to replace the protector and install a network interface. I've seen a lot of changes from protectors to NIs since I've been with the company. Hi, I'm Ramone with US West.
Hi.
I'm working on your neighbor's line, but I need to get in your backyard to get to that phone terminal.
That green box, you mean, that's back there in the corner?
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
Sure, let me get the dog in and I'll let you in.
All right, thanks. Oh, there it is. Here's a problem. The wire was broken. I'll just splice it back together.
Mom, I'm letting Killer
If that's Killer, who's this?
Hey, don't worry, that's just Rex. He won't bother you. Are you working on my phone line?
Yeah, I just finished. I'll be right there. I'm glad your neighbor was home, otherwise I wouldn't have been able to fix it today.
The person at the repair center said that I should check my phone outside, but I don't know how to do that.
Yeah, here's a card that explains the new NI I just installed.
Thank you.
And how to check your phone here. I have to show you how it works. Just use a screwdriver to open it up. You unplug the test cord from the test jack. This separates the inside wire. And plug in your phone. You want to make sure you have a phone that works. If it works here, then the trouble's in the house.
Well, what if it doesn't work out here?
If it doesn't work here, then trouble's outside.
U.S. West Residential Repair. This is Martise. How can I help you?
Yes. I believe I've cut the phone line in my backyard. I was digging for a tree.
I can take care of that. What's your telephone number?
Yes, this afternoon to be fine. Okay, I'll be here. Thank you. Hi, I'm back here, out in the yard.
Hi, U.S. West.
Thank heavens you're here. Well, I was just digging a hole to put that tree down there, and I didn't realize there was a phone line under there.
It happens sometimes.
Well, can you fix it?
You know, I'll change out that bad section. I should have it done shortly.
Okay, any charge for that?
No, there won't be a charge for this. We'll take care of it. This splice will repair the trouble in the buried drop. I see dispatch is paging me.
Hi.
Hey, mister, how'd you tell which wire's which?
Well, you know, I can tell by the different colors.
Cool.
After I tell my customer I'm finished, I'll go do this next ticket. I just wanted to let you know that I finished repairing your phone line.
Good. I just got a phone call. Seems to be working great. Thank you. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
What's next?
Here we go. A garbage truck knocked down a drop.
Okay, go ahead and give it to me. Looks like cable repair is working on the cable. There's the aerial drop that's been knocked down. I need to replace this drop. Where did that come from? This should be enough clearance for anything coming down the alley now.
I hope there isn't any more surprises like the last one.
Hello?
Hi, this is Rick from US West. Is this the Smith residence?
Yes, it is.
I understand that you have a jack that doesn't work.
Yes, we just moved in and one of the jacks in the living room isn't working.
I'm just 5 minutes away. You know, I hear static. I'll check that out for you while I'm there, okay?
That's great. I'll see you then.
All right, I'll be right there. Goodbye.
Good afternoon. Traffic's clear. Weather slightly cooler today. Temperature only 118 degrees here in downtown Phoenix. It's hot enough to fry an egg.
Hi, Mrs. Smith?
Yes.
I'm Rick from US West.
Hi, Rick. Come on in. I'll show you where the jack is.
Okay. Here's the problem. The wire's broken in half. I fixed your jack. Now I'm going to go see what is causing your static.
Okay, just come on back when you're done.
All right. The problem's not here. I need to go to the inside terminal next. Hey, Bob, how you doing?
Hey, Rick, what's going on?
Oh, not much. Just trying to fix the customer static problem. How about you?
Oh, I just put in a shoot in the payphone.
Okay, great. We'll see you later.
Hey, take care.
You too. Ah, loose wire. I think that's what's causing the trouble. I fixed the static on your line. If you have any other problems, give us a call, okay?
Okay, thank you, Rick.
Thank you. Bye now.
Goodbye.
Wow, now that I have some idea of what goes on out in the field, it'll be easier to prepare my customer for the technician's visit.
Here we are, back again at the yard. Thanks for coming along. I realize it's difficult to know all the information a customer needs, so it's probably best to let a technician do all the explanation of running wire and installing jacks. That's a tough subject to talk about when you're not sure the type of wiring a customer has in their home. However, I think they will appreciate our efforts to give them the best service we can. Hopefully, we have shown you through this video a small portion of what we do. Thanks for riding with us today.
Just trying to plant a tree out here, and I didn't realize there was a phone line under there.
Ah, it happened to you too, didn't it? What happened to?
Mrs. Smith, I'm from US West.
Our
first blooper.
Cut.
Hi, Mrs. Smith. I'm Rick from US West.
You have an ID?
What? Throw me a curve, how about it?
Well, I fixed the static on your line, so if you have any more problems, give us a call.
Okay, what'd you find?
She did it again!
Hi, Bob. How you doing?
Hey, Rick, what's going on?
Oh, I'm just trying to fix some static on a customer's line. What you got going on?
I just put a new coin sheet in a payphone.
Wait, I didn't like that. I'm sorry. What you got going on? What does that mean? What you got going on? I is a college student.
Looks like fiber optic is doing some more splicing. My God, looks like fiber optic doing some more splicing.
What's next?
Here we go. A garage truck knocked down the drop.
Garage truck?
Garage truck?
Oh, there goes our
Horse. Back here.